Hello, children. Hello, Dr. Duncan. How are you doing? We are doing fine. As always, I hope you're doing great today. Everybody ought to be doing fine. If you're not, I hope the rest of the day goes better for you. You know how that goes. Sometimes the day doesn't start out that good, but it does get better. So let's hope everything's better for everybody today. Well, today's song is an old song, and it's a counting song. And you're going to count from 1 to 10. And the song is This Old Man. This old man, he played 1. He played knick-knack on my thumb. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Okay? Now we're going to go 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. And each one of them will have a thing that he plays knick-knack on, which is he's playing a little percussion. Now I'm going to leave the percussion out because it just was kind of noisy on the recording this morning, so I'm going to leave off the percussion part, and I'll let you do that yourself. So when it says, he played knick-knack on my drum, you can play knick-knack on your knees maybe, or with a found instrument. I probably shouldn't show you this one, but here's a really cool found instrument. Dr. Duncan, those are spoons. And for many, many people in the world, spoons are a musical instrument. And what you do is you hold the spoons so that they're apart from one another. So when you tap them on your knee, they make a sound. You put your hand above and the knee below, and you can go. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. Now, don't use your mother's spoons without asking her first, or your daddy's spoons. You don't do that. You ask first. Now, hope you're having a great day. That's Persic outside saying she wants the dog to get a bone. Have a wonderful day. This old man, he played 1. He played knick-knack on my thumb. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 2. He played knick-knack on my shoe. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 3. He played knick-knack on my knee. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 4. He played knick-knack on my door. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 5. He played knick-knack on my hive. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 6. He played knick-knack with my sticks. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 7. He played knick-knack up in heaven. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 8. He played knick-knack on my gate. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 9. He played knick-knack on my spine. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old